Hi everybody, it's Melissa
G-Cat.
and this is It's a Life. Today we're doing a taste test for you guys. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, first we have to point out our control. If anything tastes bad,
We're gonna drink this, and this is new to me, so
yeah,
actually I'm gonna
it's
taste
from
it.
a Dollar Tree, so it's
But it's a
black cherry.
black
soda.
cherry and it's WBC, so that's name brand. My dad used to buy these sodas for me when I was little.
It's good. And you can get it at the Dollar Tree.
Agreed. What's the sugars? Oh, enough to really make me sick, but I won't be drinking a lot of it.
You looked at the carbs,
I looked at the
but
sugars.
the sugars are the same.
It's 50, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 50 milligrams. Enough to really hurt. So, you want to tell them what we have first?
Peanuts. Like they're peanut flavored curls.
Like a chip or whatever.
Yeah.
Let me show them though. It's Curly Peanut Classic with freshly ground peanuts by Lorenz Snack World. So there's that. Alrighty. Let's try this out. We are squished on this chair, by the way. My hips, you know. Mommy's got hips. Not a bad thing. Just means I had a kid. Love him. So, cheers.
Tastes kind of peanut buttery with peanuts.
To me, this tastes like they took all natural peanut butter, like the really dry kind, and put it in some sort of, I don't know, corn or something.
Corn oil. Sunflower oil. It has sunflower oil.
Yeah, I'm not a fan. Thumbs down.
Thumbs up.
Okay, next. What do we have now?
It's Walker's Monster Munch Flaming Hot Corn Snacks.
Ooh.
I've heard they're like spicy Fritos, I guess.
Let's see how this tastes.
Yeah, I've heard they're like the the English equivalent of Fritos.
They're like monster balls.
Yeah.
Right. Cheers.
They're like puffed up spicy Fritos. Almost like puffy Fritos dipped in hot sauce and left there.
I'm tasting almost a curry taste, but I like curry, so thumbs up. Actually, I will revisit these in a little while.
Thumbs up. Double thumbs up.
Really enjoyed that. It wasn't so spicy. There's not a lot of pop to it. Oh, I still have my swatches. Sorry. These are the Walker's French fries with Worcester sauce, however you say it. Yeah. Would help if I could hold them, huh?
Yeah, Walker's is just England
long one for you. And a curly one for me. Cheers.
They're good. You can actually, they taste like ketchup. It says Worcester sauce, but it tastes
I do
like
taste
ketchup.
a little bit of that sauce. And I think they're good. So thumbs up.
Thumbs up. It kind of tastes like ketchup.
Okay, I'm going to cleanse my palate.
Same.
With something horrible for you. It's all horrible for you these days. Everything. Alright, next we have the Walker's Marmite, and I am terrified of these. I don't know what Marmite is.
It says it's
yeast extract. I think it's Australian. Yeah, I'm scared. So let's see how this one goes. I have to smell it. It smells funky.
Yeah, it does.
Cheers.
Oh. No. Oh, God. No, no,
First
no.
bit, I was like, oh no, I'm not going to like this. But actually,
Oh.
thumbs up.
No, 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 no.
No, let's do that one last. That'll be our dessert. Next, we have Walker's tomato ketchup. You good? You gonna make it?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, this definitely tastes like ketchup.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely
get
ketchup.
the ketchup. I spit, I think. I don't know. Doesn't matter. I'm at home.
Definitely ketchup, like
I'm at home and in my jammies, so.
old ketchup. It's just
But
ketchup.
you definitely taste the ketchup. There's something else in there. Ingredients. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
It's good.
Da-da.
This would go good with your French fries. Or this could be your chips with fish and chips.
I'm tasting something else, but the ingredients are potatoes, vegetable oils, sunflower, rapeseed, in varying proportions.
You're probably tasting the vegetable oil.
Tomato ketchup seasoning, sugar, flavoring, dried milk whey, salt, citric acid, color, paprika extract, and tomato powder. So, I don't know. I was tasting a little bit something different, but thumbs up.
This would go good with your hot dog or your hamburger.
Me and G-Cat's going to be eating chips later.
Like
and then we
always
have,
do.
I cannot pronounce it. I cannot pronounce the name brand.
Let me
But
say,
it is a cheese bar with condensed milk.
Sure. It's Svalia.
Svalia. So there is this. I wonder what this, a cheese bar? Cheese? No.
It
Cheese
might
and
be
chocolate
like
is not a thing in
It might be like cheesecake.
my world.
It might be like cheesecake.
Maybe.
It might be cream cheese.
Ah. Almost couldn't get it open. Ew, it's kind of melty. Melty.
We should put that one in the fridge.
We should have. Kind of forgot about it. We've been meaning to do this haul forever. Okay, here you go, because I'm sure you're going to like it, whatever it tastes like.
Yeah, it's
And then I got a
slippery.
smaller bit. So here we go. Cheers.
Oh god. You got it.
That's funky as all get out. No. That's a thumbs down for me.
Doesn't it? Thumbs down. Yeah, I got it.
Thumbs down. I got it all over my hands. So anyway.
Oh god. I can't eat it.
Just. I'm not going to spit on camera. Here. Oh, wow. I did not enjoy that. In the least, G-Cat is like spitting it out. He never spits anything out. The boy's a trooper. He eats everything.
Here.
Oh, so anyway. That's the end of our taste test. And until I see you again, or we see you again, stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. And always, 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 much love. Bye.
Bye.